Hello everyone, welcome back to another cool, awesome, super amazing Kirby and Forgotten Land episode. Ooh, what's here? You found a hidden portal to Treasure Road. Let's see what's inside. Later. So this is like the next level. This is like the boss, I think. Probably. So Rocky Rolling Road. I saw a lot of green in the background. So, but Rocky Rolling Road. I got rid of, even though I got rid of my ability in the last episode. I just want to try out the new ones. So this is Needle ability. Never heard of it. Whoa. I think this is a new ability? Yes, Ranger. I think I like... Okay. Ow! Not cool, dude. Bam!
What is his name?
Before you can even attack. Get out of here, man. Get out of here, kid. Kirby can eat snacks off of 3 tree stumps. Bam! No. Bam! Oh, that didn't get him. Kaboom! Aw. Ow! No! The Ranger! Got it!
Did it blow?
Yep. Oh! Bam! I'm a Ranger too, kid.
I can.
Okay, so charge shot, okay. And there's the Waddle Dee. If you were watching the draft, well, we just heard the Bears pick, and I am so excited to see him play for the Chicago Bears. Well, because I'm a Chicago Bears fan. If you aren't, you aren't. Come on! Find the side road while going uphill. Oh, sick. Okay, come here, Bandana Waddle Dee. Yeah, high five me. I wonder why they got rid of the kisses from old Kirby games. Okay, so the Colts are on the clock currently. I should do a video about the draft. You're dead. You're dead, so get out of here forever. Bam! And that's gonna lead to a round trip though. Whoa. Okay. See targets. So I would want to say, if you had trouble on this, I would probably say get the ones flying. Flying the lowest. Bam! Got it!
A donut.
You get the next one, Owen.
Yay!
Whee!
Yahoo!
Ew.
We both got it.
Bam!
And look at him!
Nah, they just respawn, Owen.
Well, we need to get a Waddle Dee fast.
We got the last one. Okay.
Ah, a big rock.
Oh. Oh my. No, no, no.
No, it's
Hurry, hurry.
wet. Let me see. Oh no.
Just let the wolfies die. They deserve to die.
Oh no.
Got it.
Go to sleep. Oh,
Nintendo. We got the Nintendo Switch. Because we're playing this on Switch. Yeah, get it? Get it?
Back.
Get it? Get it?
Snack. The snack thing. Let's go. Let's go up here.
Oh.
I'm up here.
I think there was another new one.
Mama.
No. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ah. Need the
No, no wingman.
Hey, let me off. Go.
You can't. You can't. I'm sorry.
I don't like it pounding water
Okay.
because
Yeah!
like,
Boom.
go let me off of this car.
Yeah. Maybe at the end of the level. Get him. Get him. We'll get the car back. We'll get the
I
car.
don't like cars. I
Well,
don't
you
want to ride on it.
wouldn't stay. And stay.
Ah.
Okay, so watch out.
Oh no, a lot of these. Go. Spit a car out.
1 second, let's check over here. Drive without falling off the edge.
And it feels finished.
Okay, so here they are. The 3 Waddle Dees.
Boss.
They're safe.
Lulu,
Hi!
oh, rocks keep falling.
So now that's the end of. So that was a quick one. That was a quick level. We got a Gordo, so that's what those spike guys are. The radio, I love it. I already love it. Hi. A trip to a Live Mall. Nice. I already love it. Da da da. Waddle Dee saved.
Just because his name was Baby Grump, his nickname was Baby Grump. I swear to God, that's why it's so like that.
Well, so we're gonna go back to Waddle Dee Town and see how everything's going. How everything's working out. How the Waddle Dee's getting along.
Linebacker from Boise State, he was super fast, right?
So, look, I go in here. I go back out. Look, there's a new guy here.
Right? Or they always pick a lineman that's hurt. Like last year.
Yeah.
They find out he had a bad back. I don't know how many picks he's gotten.
Yep,
Bad
yep.
knees, bad foot, bad back. He's never gotten like a monster.
Ow!
Monster over there. Oh, yeah.
Da-
That guy once. He was undrafted.
Okay, so I don't know. This, please, okay. Natural plains. It just looks. So I want to go in there and try it. Let's check the stagings. 10 in a trip to a Live Mall. But still, we're gonna end off the episode there. So please make sure to subscribe, like it, and hit the bell, and hit the bell for all notifications.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.